secrets that the quarry keep. Hourglass sun begins to creep. Your heavy heart is fast asleep. You carried the hill, you carried the rain. Took the corner slow, ease the strain. Now the dust motes dance again, whispering a sturdy name. Tick, 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 the metal sighs, cooling down beneath the skies. Every metal part complies as the last of darkness dies. And the cab light's still on, a soft amber glow. Where you left me, I'm drawn, nowhere else to go. Just the warmth on the sea, where your long shift would meet. And the dawn's bittersweet. Thermos tipped a slow cascade. Coffee stains a promise made. Through the night you'll never strayed in this lonely cool parade. You took the weight, you bore the load. Every mile of this rough road, a silent, steady episode. Now the early light has glowed. Tick, 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 the metal sighs, cooling down beneath the skies. Every metal part complies as the last of darkness dies. And the cab light's still on, a soft amber glow. Where you left me, I'm drawn, nowhere else to go. Just the warmth on the seat, where your long shift would meet. And the dawn's bittersweet. A static hum, a distant song, a work radio, where do you belong? Fading in and fading long, through the morning weak and strong.